Hi, I'm Allison Schaaf, founder of Prep Dish and host of the Meal Prep Monday podcast. It is not Monday. I am not here with another episode, but I am here for a special announcement to let you know that Prep Dish is having its biggest sale of the year. If you're listening to this in real time, it starts today and goes through Monday, May 12th of 2025 at midnight. 50% off all of our meal plan subscriptions. The link to get there is prepdish.com/flash-sale. That link will be in the show notes, and that's 50% off any of our meal plan subscriptions. These meal plan subscriptions include access to our super fast plans, 1 hour of prep, get you 5 dinners for the week. You also have gluten-free, paleo, or low-carb options as well. If you are a current subscriber and would like to upgrade, this is a great time to upgrade at 50% off. It is going to be our biggest sale of the year. So that flash sale page will take you to our subscriptions, but a little side note that all of our products are also 50% off. You just have to use the code MOM50. So you can get 50% off our party menus, our holiday cookbook, our breakfast bundle, AIP meal plans if you want to do an autoimmune protocol or Whole30. Those are all on there as well. This is a great time to gift yourself and others. So we do have, if you go to that prepdish.com/shop, you can also buy as a gift. If you are doing the subscription, a reminder that they all include these pre-filled Instacart links now. So I've been talking about that the past few weeks on the podcast. But if you want to try out the Instacart pre-filled shopping links, those are included as well. I'm going to try in the show notes to include a little Loom video that shows you how those shopping cart links work. I'm a visual person, but you can just kind of see how it's one click and your entire shopping cart is filled with what you need for the week. So that link will kind of show you how those work. If you're excited about what you see, then again, prepdish.com/flash-sale. So that is the link. The sale's going on until Monday at midnight, 50% off. Happy Mother's Day. And I will be back again on Monday with an official episode.